Hey everyone! Did you know something as natural as your monthly cycle could pose hidden dangers to your health? Yes, I'm talking about menstruation. It's not just about cramps and chocolate cravings. There's a lot more going on that we need to talk about. First off, let's talk about toxic shock syndrome, or TSS. This rare but serious condition is primarily linked to tampon use, especially when using superabsorbent types longer than recommended. Symptoms can include sudden high fever, vomiting, diarrhea, and even a rash resembling a sunburn. It's crucial to change tampons frequently, every 4 to 6 hours, to minimize this risk. Next, there's a lesser-known condition called menstrual migraines. About 20% of women suffer from these debilitating headaches triggered by hormonal fluctuations during their period. If you're one of them, you're not alone. It's important to track your cycle and discuss preventive treatments with your healthcare provider. Lastly, let's not overlook mental health. Conditions like premenstrual dysphoric disorder, or PMDD, affect up to 5% of women. PMDD can cause severe irritability, depression, and anxiety in the days leading up to menstruation. Recognizing and seeking help for these symptoms can make a huge difference. So, while menstruation is a natural part of life, it comes with its set of challenges that can impact your health. Always keep an open line of communication with your doctor and never hesitate to discuss any concerns you might have. Your health matters every day of the month. Stay informed, stay safe, and see you in the next video.